variant like
B. See, Premier. This is actually a Fiat 1100 model. It has two variants, BE and BU. Nothing but bench and bucket.
What does that mean?
Seats. Actually, this model is a BE model. From the factory, it came as a BE, and the previous owner got the seats into a bucket model. I don't ride more than 70-80 max on a highway.
So top speed is around 100, but you keep it around 70.
70 is the sweet spot for this same engine.
Acha.
And you get the typical sound. I mean non-stressed sound.
And all drum brakes.
All 4 drums.
45 liter tank, huh?
35 liters tank. Company speed is like they said top speed of 105 kilometers per hour, but there are people who have touched 120, 130 also on this.
Actually, you don't need any of this. In fact, most of the time your windows are rolled down and you're generally riding.
And windows rolled down, I hear my exhaust sound and the engine would always.
You are perfect advertisement for windows not motoring.
Then he's like hitting dub. The other guy is like, hey, wait, there is a person sitting inside. Why are you hitting?
Why
No,
is he
the
hitting?
gauge.
Okay.
So hard, tough gauge and all. That's an aftermarket.
Yeah, what
The
nice.
original one came with a rectangular shape,
Yellow light.
See, whenever I go home, right, I bring back my boot is always full, okay? Either with coconuts or bags full of rice, especially the boiled rice. When I go home, I take the order from Bangalore, from my known circle. How many kgs do you need? Okay, 1 bag, that is 25 kgs. I need 25 kgs. So usually I like 1 quintal, I'll put it on the rear. And aram se put it into the fore, keep one hand like a Mumbai taxi wala. Oh, keep going.
You see a level drop or something?
No, nothing. It's all good. I just wanted to check if there is a level drop. Absolutely no drops.
Okay.
So I'm holding up good.
No coolant spilling or anything like that?
Nothing. All good for another 1000 kilometers if you ask me. Only thing is I'll have to fill fuel and then drive. Steady 70 kmph. No patrang, no turbo kicking in. Nothing. That's a single bedroom house. इधर बाथरूम है सर, इधर लिविंग एरिया है, इधर टीवी रख सकते हैं. ये हमारा 1100 cc इंजन है भाई.
There's so much space in the bay.
So in this car, have you taken up night drives?
Yeah, Bangalore all the drives I do it at night only.
So that the weather is also better, huh?
Correct.
But how are the headlights and all?
Headlights is I'm running on a 100 by 130. So with the reflector, it came as it is. While the stock one came 55-60.
Okay.
So instead of 100 by 90, the previous guy had put a 130 by 100. So that is more than sufficient for me.
Oh, okay.
So why I choose night drive is like the car doesn't heat up. Okay. So this runs on a radiator, no? I mean pure water or a coolant. Doesn't have a coolant surge tank and all like in modern cars.
Okay.
So I'll have to check the radiator water level.
You don't have a temperature gauge? Do you
I have a temperature gauge.
So typically when does it steep inclines and all that?
See, if I'm in Shiradi, it does. I mean, in the Mangalore, it depends on the weather.
So you just stop?
I stop before the Ghat. Stop for good 10-15 minutes until there was a slight leak which I couldn't find it at all.
On the hose?
On the hose, basically.
Okay.
So every 150 kilometers, around half a liter of water had to top up. So I used to lose regularly, consistently on all my drives, irrespective of city or highway.
Okay.
Half a liter used to drop.
How much does it consume the oil? What is the
Oil is
capacity?
3 liters.
3 liters. Okay.
3.5 completely drained, and 3 liters is just a consequent replacement.
And how frequently would you have to change the differential oil?
10,000 kilometers.
Rare differential, no?
Rear differential, yes. And I'll have to grease all the pivots at 2,500 kilometers.
How many plates does it have?
6, Baba.
One side 6.
Yeah, one side 6, one side 6.
Okay.
6 plates.